Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of blazing fast Wi-Fi with the Amazon Eero Max 7 Mesh Router. This sleek and powerful router promises to take your internet experience to the next level with Wi-Fi 7 technology. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get a quick overview of what the Eero Max 7 has to offer. This mesh router supports the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 standard, promising lightning-fast speeds and enhanced network reliability. With theoretical maximum speeds of up to 9.4 gigabits per second and support for multiple bands. This router is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering a seamless online experience. Now, let's talk about design. The Eero Max 7 features a sleek tower design, a departure from its predecessors. With its glossy white finish and chrome accents, it's sure to blend seamlessly into any modern home or office setup. Plus, with plenty of ventilation to keep things cool, you won't have to worry about overheating, even during intense gaming sessions. Setting up the Eero Max 7 is a breeze, thanks to the intuitive Eero app. Simply plug in the nodes, follow a few simple steps on your smartphone, and you're good to go. However, it's worth noting that there's no web interface available, which may be a downside for power users who prefer more advanced configuration options. Now, let's talk performance. We put the Eero Max 7 through its paces, testing it across multiple devices and distances. And let me tell you, this router delivers. With blazing fast speeds and minimal latency, it's perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. Plus, with its mesh network setup, you can say goodbye to dead zones and hello to seamless connectivity throughout your home. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. On the plus side, the Eero Max 7 offers top-notch performance, easy setup, and an attractive design. However, it does come with a hefty price tag, and some advanced features are locked behind a paywall. Plus, the lack of a web interface may be a deal-breaker for some users. So, is the Amazon Eero Max 7 worth the investment? If you're a hardcore enthusiast looking to be an early adopter of Wi-Fi 7 technology, then absolutely. But for the average consumer, it may be worth waiting for prices to come down or for more devices to enter the market. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for a more in-depth analysis of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy surfing!